You know, if this was at home, like I wanted to do, for the record, we wouldn't even have to get out in this. Nope.
Hold up.
Cheers.
You're not videotaping me. That's against the law.
Is it? Good morning, you folks. It snowed. A lot. Not a lot, but it's like the internet was freaking out about these snowstorms and like everyone's out buying like milk and bread. I'm like, guys, we are Midwesterns. It's snow. This is what we do. Like, it's just a snowstorm. So anyways, I got some lots I gotta go plow this morning. And Jack's birthday party's today, and like everyone's like, do we come up? I'm like, guys, it's snow. Just get in your car and drive. So anyways, I gotta go plow. Goodbye. Lots are all plowed. I didn't record any of it. I just wanted to get it done and get back. Went home, had a little breakfast. Now I gotta go get all Jackson's crap for his birthday party, which I go all the way to Morton to get the cookies. And then go all the way on the other side of Peoria to get some balloons. This is the last birthday party I do like this. I hate birthday parties. I wish they just invite grandma and grandpa over, have a cake in the living room or in the dining room, sit around, talk, everyone goes home, done. Oh no! Just like last year's birthday vlog, we gotta drive all over the country to get cakes and balloons and special napkins and plates. I don't like any of that stuff. I don't like it. I like simple birthday parties. A few gifts. Oh! Nope! Can't do that! Jackson, you better enjoy this birthday, because this is the last party you'll have like this. Thanks, Lisa. See ya! Got the cookies. Going to get the balloons. Much. Take care. Hell of a day for a birthday party, let me tell you. You know, if this was at home, like I wanted to do, for the record, we wouldn't even have to get out in this. Nope. I always forget to raise my plow. Party's over. Last party we'll have anymore besides the house, mark my words. Decent party. Thanks for everyone that came. It is Sunday. Just got done with drill. One more to go, and I'll be done with drill forever. Landon is going with me to plow some snow. Yep. Got a driveway to go do. We're gonna go knock it out. He's gonna be the shovel guy. That's what we're doing. where we're going. Plow job complete.